What's up, guys? Let's talk about cleaning and detailing for a little bit. And for that, we always go to our friends, Griots Garage, based out of Tacoma, Washington. You can see here, they sent us some of their mod brush system. This is a new product. It means modular brush system, what it is, and modular being you can take all these parts and pieces and interchange them and make them work to your application. So you can see here, it starts right here with a sure grip handle. And that's what all these brush heads will fasten to. You can also get these extensions and stack, 3 or 4 of these, however many you want, to get into the right place you need. So you can keep them straight right here. They have a little elbow you can put on here as well. So again, stack these or modular, however you want, to get into those hard to reach places. Or again, you can take these off and you can use it with just the sure grip handle to a brush head. So you can see here, this is an example of some of the different brush heads they have. There's actually more than this, different sizes and so forth, but this gives you a good idea generally of what they have. So just for example, right here, this is what they look like. And you can literally just screw that together. Again, like I said, you could put an extension on this, you could put an elbow on it and screw this on, but that's it, the modular brush system, the brush head and the handle right there. So another cool thing that they've done for this is these color rings. And you can see there's charts on the actual packages, but these are more of a visual. So if you've got 2 of these brush heads and say I'm using one for degreasing, which is dirty, nasty, and I'm using one to do some interior cleaning with, well, obviously I don't want to interchange those. So you can put the colors on there. So like, for instance, I'm gonna say degreasing, I'm gonna use an orange one or say a black one. So you can put that ring on the actual brush head and it will tell you just a quick visual. It's got this little slot right here and just like a little rubber ring, and you can swap those out. But so it comes with the black, you got orange, you got yellow, red, green, etc. Okay, all my interior stuff for carpet, I'm gonna make it orange. And so now I've got this orange and I know that, hey, that's what I'm gonna use that for. And then like, let's say this one right here, and I'm just see a black ring right there and say, well, I'm gonna do my degreasing with this. So I don't want to use this for interior stuff, but I can look at it very easily when I'm picking out my brush heads. Again, I've got it sitting over here on a stand or somewhere. So that one's black, I don't want to use it for interior. This one's orange, I want to use it for interior and so forth. But you've got all these different colors if you want to specify a color to an application. Right. But again, this is their modular brush system. You can see they have large brush heads like this that are square, down to some of your smaller brush heads, more circular like this. And again, they can all be used for multiple applications. You can see on the actual package, it tells you how coarse or aggressive that brush head is, so you know what you're using it for. But again, such a great system. They're really nice, sturdy handles, nice threads, they thread on easily. And again, the modularity of this is superb because you can use for anything. But this is the Griots mod brush system. Again, a ton of heads. This is one single handle is what they use for everything. Everything's modular. So make sure to check those out. We can get you hooked up, or go to griotsgarage.com and get some for yourself. And they are a great addition to any cleaning, detailing person's toolkit or toolbox. So check them out. Let us know if you need some. We'll talk to you soon.